When I heard that the BF Goodrich power plant here in Akron was getting demolished, I had to go check it out. I've been interested in this building since I've lived here. I've photographed it from the outside, I've researched the history, and always wanted to know what it was like inside. With it being demolished and probably gone within, just a few weeks, I thought I better get in there. So this is my walkthrough of the old BF Goodrich power plant. Mr. Benjamin Franklin Goodrich actually purchased the building in around 1870 or 71 to open a rubber factory, but the building actually dates all the way back to 1861. The factory was unique in creating its own electric power plant to power the machinery instead of the more commonly used at the time belts and shafts. The plant produced the electricity using steam, so I'm guessing that these big tanks were some kind of pressurized steam tanks. Many people tried to urge the city of Akron to save the smokestacks, but they say it can't be done. There's too many hazardous materials and asbestos in them, and a couple years ago they did cut them off about 3/4 of the way up as well. But unfortunately, stacks are going along with everything else.